Hi guys, this is Vic. Today I'll be planting glass gem corn in my garden. I've grown 40 odd plants last year and this is the best looking specimen I grew. There are two traits here which I really like. One is it has all different colors which a glass gem corn shall have. Two, all the kernels are translucent. That means they really do look like glass gems. What I mean by that is some cobs can produce kernels which are not translucent. So as you can see in this particular cob, you see kernels have a white starch in them which is visible. So that's not the genetic trait I'm going for. So I'm not going to use seeds from this particular cob. So this one is the winner. I want to share a story with you guys regarding glass gem corn. One of the farmers from Montana have seen a YouTube video I've posted last year, and they've approached me and they wanted to get some seeds from some of the corn which I grew. And I was excited that somebody with that background would want seeds from a backyard gardener like me. So I sent some seeds. Some of the knowledge that this farmer has passed on to me is that if I were to pick pastel color kernels from this cob and plant them, the resulting corn would be much more colorful. Like it would have that flourish of colors what we see in here, as opposed to if I were to pick darker colored kernels and plant them as seed, the resulting corn would be more bland. It would either be all yellowish or all whitish. So I was very interested by that thought, and I decided this year when I'm planting corn, I am going to mark each planting site with the color of the seed, so that when we are harvesting them, I want to test this theory out, whether the color of seed really dictates the color of corn which glass gem corn produces. So yeah, really excited about this, and I'm gonna start taking the seeds out of this and pick the best seeds of each color for planting. So after a lot of sorting, guys, here are the results. These are our lighter pinks, orange. Then we have our pale grays and whites, purple or darker red, the blues, the lighter blues, yellowish, and these are actually green. This is where I've planted my corn in the garden, and 10 days later, after planting, I have all the rows growing really well. So check back in another 90 days and we'll open glass gem corn together to see how the colors turn out. Till then, happy gardening.